Gala Games is dipping lower and lower, and in this video we are going to be covering exactly that. I'm going to be showing you guys what I believe is going to be the most likely move for Gala Games in the immediate short term. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe because I'm posting daily update videos on Gala and Jasmine, which are two of the biggest cryptocurrencies out there in terms of potential of basically 50x, 100x or even 200x your money in the longer time frames. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Gala Games, and as you can see, or say for those of you who are new, I just want to clarify that I believe that this price movement right over here at a price of about 0.015 was the bear market low for Gala Games. From this moment onwards, we started forming this massive Elliott wave triangle, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. We pumped up in a wave number 1, came down in a wave number 2, and then we were practically in a wave number 3, which basically flopped, and because of this important resistance level which we were not really able to break at all. Now guys, I'm gonna be completely honest, I personally believe that even though Gala Games was not able to cross this important resistance level, it should have gone to at least 0.056. Now the main reason Gala Games did not really pump up that much is because of the news which we are hearing about Gala Games in the recent times. Now don't get me wrong, the news is really good in general. However guys, considering the past data which we have gathered from Gala Games, all the things are not really too well, and all of us should not be really too optimistic at this point. So all of you should be knowing that Gala is undergoing a massive update, and the token launch, or say the version 2 of the token, will be launched around 15th of May. But guys, Gala had tried previously a similar thing previously as well, and that time they failed massively, and this was the major reason why we saw this huge bear market rally for Gala Games towards the downside. Now the same thing is repeating once again. We are again dipping in price just because of a token upgrade which we are getting right now. Now guys, I have read all the information there is to read about this token upgrade, and I can personally say that there is nothing wrong with the update. Everything is looking really good for Gala Games in general. However guys, a lot of people are right now taking their profits, including myself as well. I was taking some profits as well because I don't really want to see Gala back again forming a new bear market low, which according to me, I believe that if it falls, that's gonna be a massive fall, and it's gonna be a really hard job to recover from that. So guys, according to me, I believe the update is a really good thing, but if Gala can basically make it a successful upgrade, then that will be really crucial for the project as well. Now we are hearing some news which is not particularly bullish for Gala Games in general. So the news which we are hearing is from Coinbase, which is one of the biggest exchanges out there. Now I'm sure you might have read that news somewhere else, or say someplace or another, but basically Bitbender, who is one of the most important people in the Gala ecosystem, released a statement that Coinbase was not really supporting the Gala version 2 upgrade, and this has been causing a lot of problems for the Gala ecosystem as well, because for a lot of people who have been holding their Gala tokens in their Coinbase wallets, basically Coinbase is telling that they're not going to be basically allowing the version 2 of Gala coming onto their platform, and if they do not allow it, the two things are going to be happening. A lot of people are going to be practically selling their Gala tokens right now, because they are going to be thinking that, hey, Gala's version 1 token is going to be practically worthless after 15th May. So basically, if we don't sell right now and if we don't get the version 2 of Gala token, then that would basically mean that they will be losing a lot of their money, which no one really wants in the end. So a lot of people are taking the safer route to, just exit out the positions, because Gala is dipping as well. So they can exit with some amount of profit at this moment, and then they can buy back if the update goes as planned. But if they don't, if the update does not really go as planned, they, in the meantime, they can be shifting their money into some other altcoins, and they can basically manage their money. Now, if you ask my personal thoughts, I would my personal stay on Gala still remains the same. In the longer time frames, I do believe we are going to be seeing a massive uptrend. However, because of this version 2 token upgrade, the main thing which arises to my mind is that, was it really necessary? And the answer which comes to my mind is actually no. Even though right now we are in this bear market, there was no practical need of a token upgrade, even though, the Gala token upgrade is not really that much good. But Gala's main focus is towards, and should be towards, their games, towards their music, towards the films. The project itself, or say Gala as a token, is a standard and a decent project, and there was no such room for improvements. This version 2 upgrade is basically an update, or say basically an upgrade which no one really asked for, and that is why we are seeing some mixed emotions in the market. If Let me tell you what I have personally done as well. I took some profits for Gala games at a price of about 0.037, which was this important resistance level, because as soon as we went down, it was like a alarm for me, because going below this point, I did expect that we should be seeing some support at this level right over here at a price of about 0.029. And then if we break this, we are going to be finding some support at about 0.025. And if we break even below that, I do expect that we are going to be seeing a new bear market low for Gala games. It's highly unlikely it happens, because as we are getting closer and closer to this target right over here, we are also getting closer and closer to the update as well. It's only a week, and I personally believe a lot can happen in the week. We can be seeing some massive price movement towards the upside, and I might be wrong. A lot of traders also might be wrong, but Gala games can equally dump towards the downside as well, and that way we have basically eliminated the risk factor in our position of this high risk altcoin. My personal say for all of you investors out there will be practically simple. If you guys want to take a safer route, the best place is to just hold off your Gala tokens and not do anything and just forget about it. The second stay is that if you really are, deeply invested into the Gala ecosystem, and you are thinking that, and this price drop is really worrying you, I would personally suggest you to sell a bit of a portfolio right now. Let's say about 20 to 20% of your portfolio. And after that, if Gala goes to deeper price levels, you can just buy back then, if you personally believe in the project that much. And that has been my final say with my personal portfolio as well. And this is exactly what I have been doing as well. So that's why I'm explaining it to you guys. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights on Gala, on basically what the price action is doing, because we are dumping, and that is the harsh truth, even though a lot of people don't really want to hear it. They have a lot of excuses, traders taking their profits, Gala's update, a lot of people are pushing for some lower price points so that they can buy in. But guys, in the end, what matters is that, when will we pump up? We haven't been seeing some upwards movement with Gala games. On the other hand, if we compare it with some of the other altcoins, the altcoins haven't really been moving up, or they have been moving up a bit like Jasmine did, but they have, the main important part is that those altcoins are not really moving down in price. Now, I personally expected this resistance level to break, and because we did not break, right over here, if we calculate, we are basically dropped by about 38%. So for those people who wanted to basically long the market at this resistance level right over here, would be losing about 38% of their money, which is a huge part of portfolio if you have been racking up some constant wins for the past couple of months, because the price has been trending towards the upside, and this is the first time in quite a while we are seeing a drop with Gala Games. And yeah, guys, that's practically my say on Gala Games for the immediate short term. And I hope you guys got some good insights. And if you did, make sure you guys slap up the like button, drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new. And as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.